Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin with the essential checks that make most fixes instant. First, raise the device volume and confirm it isn't muted. Flip any hardware mute switch. Once done, plug in and test a headset or external speaker with a 10-second voice note so you can isolate the problem quickly. Next, open the app's permissions and enable microphone and audio access. Make sure no background apps are hogging audio resources. These steps get you into the problem fast and rule out common causes. Now you'll refine audio behavior during the call. While on a call, actively use the in-call volume control and switch between earpiece, speaker, and headset to see which output is correct. Once identified, check the system EQ or sound enhancement settings and disable aggressive noise suppression that can cut low-level speech. If you're on Bluetooth, unpair and repair the headset. Also make sure your audio drivers or the calling app are up to date, because outdated software often skews volume and codec handling. You're at the final steps. Restart the device, then make a test call to one contact or use an echo/sound test to verify volume changes. If problems persist, reset the calling app settings or reinstall it and try an alternate calling app to determine if it's app-specific. Finally, isolate hardware by testing with an external microphone or speaker, or boot into safe mode to eliminate third-party interference. If nothing helps, the key troubleshooting tip is to swap devices briefly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.